I don't know how much value I have in this universe, but I do know that I made a few people happier than they would have been without me. And as long as I know that, I'm as rich as I ever need to be.
Hey there guys, Go here from the Action Toys channel, and today I'm bringing this to you guys. It's a electronic thing. This is my daughter's headset that she uses, and it works except for everything works except for just this piece broke off. go. Do they work? Don't know. I'll give it to my daughter and I'll ask her, hey, do these work now? She'll be like, what? And I'll be like, yeah. And there we go. It's not the best fix, but you know what? For just need a couple of zip ties, not bad. A couple of zip ties and maybe some glue would have been nice, but I didn't have it and I wasn't going down for it, so. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Hopefully I was helpful. This is going into all my awesome Facebook Dollarama groups. Alright guys, until next time, as always, stay awesome.